Welcome back. Sakware Panchayat members along with ex-Sarpanch Ramakant Borkar pressurized the presiding officer to conduct the election process, defying Directorate of Panchayat orders. Presiding officer revealed that he was restrained by the members to execute the process and had to appoint Ramakant Borkar as the new Sarpanch of Sakware. Whereas Borkar denies any such pressure and has said the due legal procedure has been followed. Presiding officer had come to serve the notice of election to be held on March 27th.
Sunday order that the election postponed. I say majority member present astani mokari karta. Ambula cooperate na. Na take note kar. Din aa dale. Ka khai kodo ariya. Ai paper di. Kon aglo. Aga. Chal bore. Kon aglo. Aga. Chal bore.
After moving no confidence on Narayan Naik, Sarpanch of Sakwar in December, High Court ordered Directorate of Panchayat to conduct elections of Sakwar Panchayat within 3 weeks. Following this, for almost 3.5 months, nothing moved in that regards. As per court orders, Directorate of Panchayat asked BDO Mamugao to hold election on 25th March. Presiding officer and secretary of Directorate of Panchayat visited Sakwar Panchayat with a notice that election would be held on 27th March instead of 25th March. 8 Panchayat members along with contender for top post Ramakant Borkar did not entertain the officers and pressurized them to conduct election on Monday itself.
No, maka te nailak zalo no माझा. ते त्यापर मला ऑर्डर ही मका एकदम त्यांनी मका फोर्सिबली हे केलं. फोर्सिबली करपाक लागले. फोर्सिबली करपा पडले ना मका ते. सर्विस करपा आयलो पण त्यांनी डिनाय केले. सर्विस घेवपा डिनाय केलो. नोटीस ही सर्विस करपा दिवना मका. प्रोसेस केलो तुम्ही.
Ramakant Borkar claimed that nothing such sort has happened and the whole election procedure was as per law. Borkar said that notice was served late.
Notice भी मागीर कर. पहिले सध्या आमगे इलेक्शन घे. As per directive of High Court. So त्या प्रमाणे प्रोसिजर केलं त्याने स्टार्ट केलो आणि इलेक्शन घेतला. जबरदस्ती नो जबरदस्ती कशी करताले प्रोसिजर हा तो कर सांगला त्याने प्रोसिजर केला जबरदस्ती कोण कोणाचे करिना नोटीस मेळना इलेक्शन जाले नंतर हाय नोटीस पयला तो इनवर्ड केल्या 12-15 कितें ते प्रमाणे ते नोटिसे प्रमाणे आयतरा ते नोटीस काढल्या आयतरा नोटीस काढून 27 तारीख हॉलिडे हे आसता होली त्या दिसा होलीये दिसा इलेक्शन दवरला आयज हांगा एलिना आमी नाका फक्त म्हाका इतलेंच सांगो जाय प्रत्येक लोकांकी सांगपा जाय की जेन्ना हांवें सपोर्ट केल्लो तेन्ना म्हागे सपोर्ट कित्याक घेतलो.
Surendra Madkaikar for Prudent.
Urban Management Consultancy and Margao Municipality finally signed an agreement on Monday. Consultancy, after certifying Sansodo-related works on behalf of MMC, has assured the landfill site will be available within the next 6 to 8 months. Consultancy expert P.U. Asnani said that compost plant would be ready within 2 months and Fomento Green Sansodo garbage treatment plant will be one of the best in 100 such plants in India.
So landfill will also be starting very soon, let me tell you. It will start very soon. This plant will also be operationalized very soon. And as the things advance, you all would be very happy to see that the reality will come for you, that things are advancing in a good pace. And maybe in a 6 to 8 months time, of course, monsoon is coming in front of you. That may be one barrier. Otherwise, in the fastest, shortest possible time, your landfill also will be commissioned. And my aim is, our objective is, whatever waste generates from the city will not find any place other than the treatment plant and reject to the disposal site scientifics. Not a kilogram of garbage will be moving outside anywhere. This is how the whole thing is being planned. Hopefully, 6 to 8 months from now, your city might be able to boast that we have a 100% system where waste is going into a system, treated, rejects go to landfill and all scientific disposal takes place. My belief is that looking to their commitment and what they are likely to do, the compost plant may get operationalized in less than 2 months. This is what I believe. The machinery is simple mechanical engineering that has to work and corrective measures can be taken in that. If they have done it and it is functioning well, then only we will be able to certify. If it requires improvement, it has to be improved. We will ensure that. I am sure that you people will be very happy that you will be one of the less than 100 cities of India, mind you, 7,935 cities in India and local bodies. Out of them, you will be proud to say that we are among the first 100 that who have got everything ready.
Meanwhile, the issue of Sansodo was also raised in the assembly. Members have demanded that capping work of the garbage plant should be done before monsoon. Bureau Prudent.
South Africa is working on a specific plan to put its football back on track. The plan is based on devising a football philosophy, getting the grassroots football organized and using technology to boost the output. CEO of South African Football Development Agency Dr. Rob Baan gave an insight of the detailed master plan during the recent Goa International Football Table. The plan will be executed over the next 10 years. Can India also unite to work on Rob Baan's master plan? Only time will tell.
Technical master plan, when we looked at it and at the implications, when I looked at it as the CEO of the Football Association, we looked at the scope of what we had to do. I realized it was not going to happen unless there was going to be focus and funding. And so I asked in November, I asked my executive committee that we enable us to do this properly. We must set up a separate entity with business partners and government partners and football partners. Our mandate is to ensure the delivery of this technical master plan within the structures of SAFA over the next 10 years. We need firstly to develop and entrench a uniform South African national football philosophy. Every single coach that we've ever had at the national team level complains that there is no consistent style or structure or philosophy of play. And so when the players come into the national team, he has to create that from the beginning. And every new coach we get wants a different style, a different philosophy. So what we want to do, and we've already gone halfway down this route now, is to define a national football philosophy and ensure that that gets entrenched in all of our coaching instructions right the way down to our youth coaching, so the kids are growing up and learning the style and philosophy that we want to play, that best suits the talent and the skills and the natural physique of the players. Secondly, we need to build a rich and, more importantly, a robust talent identification and development pipeline that starts at an under 13 level at local football association, and our goal for this year, end of this year, is to identify our top 1,000 under 13 and under 15 boys and girls. And then of course we need to do this on the backbone of technology. We've signed a cooperation agreement with the German Football Association. We're using the software that they've developed over the last 10 years, which is a full comprehensive, almost like a SAP for football, a fully comprehensive football administration system.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter @PrudentGoa or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/PrudentMedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.